Okay, good morning, Corvair Center. Here we are, Thursday, September 11th, 2008. Before we get into anything else, well, what can be said? It's an infamous date, and I hope we'll all hold it in our hearts and remember it. Okay, so you guys wanted to see the turbo run, so here we are. I'm going to fire it up for you here, and you can see for yourself. Now, this is still on all the initial settings. It requires a little bit of tweaking, and I'm having a little starter issue, so hopefully it'll crank up. I'm jumping it off my truck, so here you go. And there you have it. The oil pressure is actually, well, I prefer it was a little higher, but yeah, well, for those of you who may not remember, this engine was rebuilt in 1981. I have the sales order from the Chevrolet dealer. It was rebuilt in 1981, and then the car was parked in 1983, so it's a fairly recent rebuild. I'm not going to worry about it because this is going to be a weekend driver. All I did was take it down to the long block, clean everything up, paint stuff, replace the blower bearing, what else, rebuilt the alternator, turbocharger, carburetor, resealed everything, and there we go. Now over here, we've got rebuilt strut rods that are ready to go in. FYI, I used the replaceable bushings from Clark's. Uh-oh, battery's going. Okay, anyway, there you go. There's those, and over here we have the hubs that are ready to go in, 3 and 4 thousandths respectively, and there you go, because my battery's about dead. Okay, bye.